hey, thanks for joining me one more time here. I talked about earlier in the video I was going to do something with an affiliate link, and I reached out to Lonnie at Garage Flips, and he said, hey, sure, no problem. He didn't mind if I do this at all. But, you know, we don't even have cable TV in this family. We don't have Dish. We don't have anything but over-the-air TV, and we watch YouTube. And that's basically it. My kids are upstairs watching YouTube right now. And I love it. And, you know, talk about free entertainment. Yeah, you got to get the internet. But, hey, if you're going to be a reseller, you got to get the internet anyway. So, I spend so much time with these guys watching great entertainment. I watch, you know, Lonnie Garage Flips. I watch RVA Flips and Cincinnati Picker. I watch Thrifting 101. I love Nevermore Antiques. There's all kinds of great shows out there. I even watch some small ones, Rideshare Reseller and Thrifting Adventures, and I could give you dozens and dozens of programs that I watch, that my wife watches, some with me, some she watches on her own. It's basically the only media we watch, other than, you know, I got 8 million VHS tapes in there and things like that. There's so much entertainment out there, included with knowledge. So my point is that I don't have much money. If I had a whole bunch of money, I wouldn't be in this eBay cave reselling. So I can't go out and give, you know, super chats to people and send them, you know, $100 worth of stuff. I can't do that. But what I can do is I can buy the stuff that I would typically already buy anyways. And I'll spread this around to different channels because I buy this stuff all the time. I buy bubble wrap all the time. Some people have links to tape. Some people, and it's stuff I already buy. And so I wanted to make that point, and I asked Lonnie if I could use his channel to do it, and he said, sure, go ahead, no problem at all. So that's what we're doing right here. I've got his page linked up right here, and I just looked down in the descriptions below, and this is the one where he actually links up here with, I think, Shad Juice, and tries to promote his channel a little bit there. And so I scroll down a little bit, and there's all kinds of affiliate links right here, which he never, you know, pumps himself very much. But, you know, it takes a lot of time to do this stuff, and if it's not costing me a dime, and I can put a few dimes in his pocket for all the great entertainment he's given me for the last, you know, year and a half, I think that's a great thing to do. So I had a request from Tiger Moon 44 to start taking some viewers on yard sales with me. I've had some yard sale videos, nothing like RVA Flip, Cincinnati Picker. You guys do a great job. Nothing like those, or even Part-Time Picker. But I do have some yard sale video, but it's mostly with me in the car. Part of that is because I get a little bit crazy when I'm at yard sales, and the last thing I think about is videotaping. I'm moving on. I mean, I'm running through these things. You know, I got a little psyched out, so maybe I need to slow down a little bit. But at any rate, I figured, what the heck? I had a couple good sales lately, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that money, and I'm gonna buy a GoPro, and I'm gonna do it instead of just going out and buying it. I'm gonna do it through one of these affiliate links. Because it's not going to cost me any extra, and it's gonna help one of these guys out. In this case, Lonnie said I could do it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. And it's something y'all should think about. You know, you don't have to send super chats. These guys, nobody's begging for money. But hey, if they give you great entertainment and it's not going to cost you a dime, you might as well go in there and do it. And Tiger Moon 44, thanks for giving me the idea. And hopefully in the next few weeks we'll get out there and maybe show you some 90-degree, hot, humid Central Virginia yard sales, if we can handle it. So at any rate, thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks, Lonnie. Appreciate it.